And that way, all the water will be drained out. I'll leave that valve open to allow for any expansion of any water that would be left in there for some bizarre reason. Okay, open those. That shouldn't be having that much. Okay, there's that. Now, let's go this route. Jeez, even this one's stiff. Get you out in the sunlight a little bit here. Okay. Let's go this route. Okay. Oh, damn it. Okay. We'll go ahead and let this heat up in the sun and soften it. Let it thaw, I guess, is what you want to call it. The sprinklers will go in the bucket. The sprayer, geez, this one's solid as a rock. Okay. Holy cow, dude. Solid as a rock. Alrighty. Yeah, I should have done this yesterday when it was warm, 70 degrees out. Let's get this around. This hose is naturally stiff, but not as stiff as the ones in the back, the backyard hoses. But it does loosen up a little bit when it's warmer. So I let these suntan for a while. Meanwhile, I'm going to go in, shut the water off on the inside, and drain the line. Okay, so I got it off, as you see there. It's open. So what we're going to do, I'm definitely getting my steps today, folks. Now, with any look, oh, I gotta pull this off. This will go with that. don't lose it. Okay, so I'll leave those open, and the reason why is if there is any water left over, you know, in the pipelines or whatever, dripping out like it's dripping right here, then it won't affect the ball valve in there. It'll just freeze, and then in springtime it'll thaw out and everything will be fine. Come springtime though, if you guys have ball valves like I do, what you should do is spray a little WD-40 or, you know, a little liquid Teflon or something inside there, you know, on the ball valve, and kind of lube it up a little bit, because it'll be the first time to using it in several months. You notice though, folks, this area is starting to fill in. The grass is starting to grow, and so yeah, next year, hopefully next year, all this will be all grassed over. I said hopefully, folks. I don't want to have to keep spending more and more money on this area for no damn reason, you know. Although I still got this little like L shape here that I have to worry about. That's still a little questionable, this little L shape here. Oddly enough, I think that's where he actually drilled with his water pressure, his pressure hose. I think this is the path that he drilled. The rest of it was dug out by tractor. But for the most part, it's actually starting to fill in. I think next week I've got more grass seed. I think next week I'll throw down a little more in these areas here, just because I have the grass seed and I can go ahead and do that. And then next year, I think what I'll do is buy more grass seed and just do this area, the whole area, just as a precaution, and kind of go from there. Alright, well, what do you say, folks? The gray one has always been stiff, so I'll let that heat up a little bit more in the sunlight. Jeez, I must be losing weight, folks. These pants keep sliding down off my ass, keep doing a little sagging. Jeez, I actually must be losing weight. Seriously. The other day, I went to put my belt on, and I went all the way to the last fucking hole. As long as I've been wearing a belt, I've never, no matter what size of the belt, I've never gotten all the way to the last hole on any of my belts over the, well, decades of my life. So, yeah. Usually I'm about the third or second to last hole on my belt. So I must be losing weight. Of course, it has nothing to do with the fact that I'm walking around all the time at night. Yeah, getting exercise, you know, moving around, getting my fat ass off the couch. Oh my gosh, my sinuses, folks, just won't give. I want to let the hose drain. See if there's any. Alright. Yeah, it's still a little stiff. It's a lot better than what it could have been. Okay, now I need to take the sprinkler off, or the, not the sprinkler, the sprayer. Put that in safekeeping. Put this into this thingy, the quick connect. Let's go ahead and just do it this way. And you know, and this is also another thing that you would like to put a little WD-40 into come springtime, just to, you know, because there's a lot of plastic spring stuff in here, a lot of stuff that are moving parts that, you know, need to be lubed up because they haven't been in like forever. So set that there for now. Go back, get this hose. Alright, alright. Now to the last hose. Okay, here we go. I know what's going to happen, folks. This hose is so stiff. And you see it just kinked right there. It looks like it's about to kink right here. So yeah, it's just so stiff right now. I should have laid it in the sun a lot longer, but really don't have that kind of time. Trying to get all the water out of it. There we go. You know what, instead of making multiple trips, alrighty folks, that concludes the hose section of this venture. Okay. Yeah, I'll be moving all this shit. Come, where's the other sprinkler? Oh, there it is.